Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how to find the Windows 11 and 10 product key. So, we just need click on Start button. After that, type Registry, then right-click the top result, and select the Run as Administrator option. Now, navigate to HKey Local Machine. Go to Software. Go to Microsoft. Go to Windows NT. Go to Current Version. Go to Software Protection Platform. Now, you will see the backup product key default, and this section will show the Windows product key. That's it guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.